Hyderabad, the city of Nawabs. This is the place where youth thinks about build their career with lots of aspirations. Our team arrived for 45 days intensive training at Enadu Journalism School in Ramoji Film City and boarded at Hotel Sahara. Real life experience at Proficient started with boarding bus, not detected punches, breakfast, newspaper session for exam, classroom training, lunch and even open air conferences. It's time to excite and unite with this Hyderabad city tour. Places like Chaumaha Palace, Golconda Fort gave us some memorable experiences. Sahara is our best place for fun and freakouts. Enjoyment goes with movies and watching campfires. The place is even cool to celebrate birthdays of our lovable friends. All those moments are unforgettable.
యుద్ధానికి ఇస్తాగా బేటా పాపం ఇప్పుడు
తరుణ్ కుమార్ అగర్వాల్ ఎట్లా అంటే కోపం పిఓ గారు అండి సీతమ్మ దార అంతా పోతే కృష్ణా జిల్లా
ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ what is the exact difference between the constitution and the judiciary?
ఒకసారి అన్నమాట ఇదా ఇది ఎవరు ఆగలేదు ఏమన్నా రాలేదే
Kamal Haasan got Padma Bhushan award. Padma Bhushan Padma.
To most of them, it's a lifetime examination. Some even practice yoga to score well. For some, it's just a test, and to some, it's a big question mark. To manage stress from exams, some go for TV and some go for cricket, but few practice a rhythmic expression by catching a cup of tea. Some of them got inspired from newsreaders and started concentrating on public speaking, while some started showing their capability in newsreading.
నమస్కారం ఈటీవీ న్యూస్ కు స్వాగతం. కేంద్రంలో అధికారంలోకి వచ్చిన వెంటనే భాజపా తెలంగాణ ఏర్పాటు చేస్తుంది. అదే సమయంలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లోని మిగతా ప్రాంతాల్లో నెలకొన్న సమస్యల పరిష్కారానికి తగిన కార్యాచరణ.
With these all, it's a great honor to get associate in Republic Day with Ramoji Rao Garu. Our hearts rejoiced with spirit of patriotism on Republic Day.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद.
Recording.
Jai Air India, Air India. Thank you.
RVO Sir Journalism, Prasad Sir English, fascinating library, English composing, joy in Sahara, everything was remembered forever.
Taka